So we decided not to go to Pongu Pongu?
No, we're going to do it next time. It's got a fast pass for Flight of Passage. So we're going to walk out to Africa. We've got Safari Fast Pass, I believe 7:10, so sunset's about 7:15. So we should get out there in time for sunset. So that would look really nice. So we're just walking on this wooden bridge now, up the back way to Africa.
Disputed, respected, saluted, can see all the wonder I am. Yes, I'll keep that then mission topping. It's out from the frame. And listen me, Hakuna Matata.
How's The Lion King?
I love it. I got chills.
Chills?
Yeah.
What song?
All of them. Circle of Life.
Oh.
That bit. I like that bit.
Is it magical?
It was. We're definitely going to listen to the soundtrack, aren't we?
I've got the Festival Lion King soundtrack. I've had it for about 13 years.
So we're listening to that. I do also like
Since
the West
Paris.
End musical one.
I wonder if that's a Paris
soundtrack.
anymore.
I don't know.
Used to be.
La Festive.
It is something like that, yeah. It is
it
actually,
really?
yeah. It is,
French?
yeah.
Oh.
So, on to safaris.
Onto the safari. The sun is starting to set now, and it's getting cooler. Not much, but it's a little bit cooler. So sunset safari time.
Let's go.
Kilimanjaro. Let's go.
Bienvenidos a Kilimanjaro Safari. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Sigan sus niños. After you begin your trip, you should know that the on-the-way room should be healthy wine like dessert and drunk from the
Everybody does mean welcome, so welcome aboard the Simple One Coach. Go inside all the way down to the left-hand side. Make a room for all your friends and family in your entire party. If your entire party does not fit a dinner time day, that means let's go. So Jambo folks, Jambo, my name is Katie. I'm going to be your safari guide for tonight. Now, show of hands, anyone's very first safari with us. A couple of you, welcome, welcome. Go ahead and look up on the roof of the truck. There is an animal spotting guide up there. That's going to help you distinguish which animals we might see out here in our reserve today. Now, I can't promise that we'll see all of them, but we usually have some pretty good luck, so keep your eyes peeled. Just a couple of safety reminders before we head into the reserve, folks. Please do remember to remain seated at all times. It does mean completely seated. Doesn't matter if reserved, so let's head on in. Now, we are going to be entering here at the Little Ituri Forest. Animals here in the forest like to use their colors and their markings as a form of camouflage. It is their main form of defense against predators, so kind of keep your eyes peeled. They might be hard to spot around here. Oh, looks like we're in luck, folks. Over on the right-hand side, just back on that hill, that's an okapi. Now, okapis do have those black and white striped legs. They kind of look like zebra legs, but they're actually not related to zebras at all. They're going to be the only living relative of the giraffe. We know this because of their long prehensile tongues and similar skull structure to the giraffe. Come up here on the left-hand side, we're in for a real treat, folks. These orangey-colored animals with the white stripes, these are bongos. Now, bongos are also known as the ghosts of the forest. That's because they're usually pretty shy and reclusive. Kind of rare to see them out and about like this, so consider yourself kind of lucky. Both the males and the females do have horns in that species, but they are pushed back against their heads. That does allow them to move through the bushes and the trees without getting tangled up. Let's keep on moving through the forest, see if we can catch up with any more shy animals around here, though. Let's see what's around. Seems kind of quiet right here. That's okay. It does just mean that those animals are doing their jobs really, really well, which is camouflaging themselves against predators. Oh, but I do think I see something coming up here on the right-hand side. Oh, and on the left as well. And they're flanking each other here. Left and right-hand side, these lighter-colored animals, these are greater kudu. Another type of really shy antelope here in the forest. Now, it does look like these are females. They don't have the big spiral horns that the males do have, but they do have really, really big ears. They rely a lot more heavily on their hearing than their eyesight to make sure no predators are coming around. Now, the sad thing is, animals here in the forest are losing their habitats in pretty high numbers due to deforestation. Many trees are being cut down every single day, and we're trying to create room for humans, but also create nature. And that does take away habitats from these beautiful forest-dwelling creatures. So if you do want to help protect these animals, I definitely do recommend reducing, reusing, and recycling, especially those paper products. That'll ensure that those animals do have habitats for years and years to come. If you look just at the surface of the water here, there are a couple of Nile hippopotamus there. Now, hippos do really love the water. They can actually hold their breath and stay underwater up to 8 minutes at a time. Even their young nurse underwater. Now, hippos love the water so much that a group of them is called a bloat. What's a bloat of hippos? Now, these white gray birds on this island over here, these are pink-backed pelicans. They don't really look pink right now, but they will turn themselves pink during mating season. Apparently, pink is a super attractive color. It will allow them to get a mate. And folks, this is so cool. Okay, over here on the left-hand side, there's a baby hippo just on the island here. Now, this is cool for 2 reasons. Of course, there's that baby, but also it's really rare to see hippos out in the water, folks. So consider yourself kind of lucky to see them not chilling in the water like they normally do. Again, spending most of their time in the water here. But there's that baby hippo, folks. Looking so cute. Probably its mama just up to the right-hand side. Super, super cool. Got really lucky seeing a lot of really cool animals so far. Oh my goodness, folks. Down here on the left-hand side, just down by the riverbank, there are some Nile crocodiles. Now, these crocodiles can actually get about as long as giraffes are tall. Grasslands of the savannah. I'm already spotting some more animals in the distance, but let's kind of wind our way through here. Definitely get a little bit closer to the wall. Let's see what we can find. If you look all around us, folks, mostly on the right-hand side, if you look at the trees, the branches kind of lower to the ground. They're more bare than the ones up top. It's actually a really good indication of giraffes being nearby recently. They do have that same long prehensile tongue as that okapi did in the forest. Their tongues can actually get long enough that they can reach back and lick their own eyeball. Anywhere from 16 to 20 inches long. It's pretty crazy, but it does really help them munch on all of these leaves. Again, I'm going to be reaching up their long tongues and grabbing as many leaves on the branches of trees as possible to eat. Let's see. Oh, I think I see something up here on the left. Let me pull around here. Yeah, folks, over here in the den, in the cave there on the left-hand side, it's a spotted hyena laying down here. Looks like it's rested. That makes sense. Hyenas are nocturnal animals, way more active once the sun completely sets up. It's a little too early for them to be up and about right now. My favorite fact about hyenas, though, the lowest ranking female is always going to outrank the highest ranking male. It's a pretty matriarchal society led by an alpha female, not an alpha male. I think that's pretty cool. Now, contrary to popular belief, hyenas aren't actually scavengers. They'll actually hunt for themselves, but they do eat bones, and they've adopted that for a really kind of interesting reason. Those females are those kind of alpha females, so they're going to eat first. They're going to get the meat, and then there's not much left for the males. So they've adapted to eat the bones, because otherwise they wouldn't have anything. Come up here on the left-hand side, folks, one of my very favorite animals that we have here on the reserve. These tiny little animals, one of the world's smallest antelopes, they're called springbok. They get that name springbok from their ability to jump super high. They can spring about 6 foot in the air and leap about 13 feet forward. Also really, really quick runners. They can run about 55 miles per hour. Now that's only 5 miles per hour slower than cheetah run at their very top speeds, making those springboks in the top 10 fastest land animals in the entire world. So those tiny little animals, they're moving really fast, jumping really high, and they're also adorable. Honestly, a triple threat. That's why they're my favorites. Looks like there's going to be a couple more up here on the hill, and these taller grasses on the left-hand side. We're coming up here on the right-hand side, a couple of different animals. First, these safari prey animals. These are white-bearded wildebeests. Now, the word wildebeest is the Afrikaans word for wild beast. Pretty similar sounding, does kind of make sense. Actually, really, really social animals. Their herds can get anywhere from 10 wildebeest to 1,000 wildebeests. Now, at night, they're going to sleep all together, all snuggled up. It's actually kind of cute. Oh, and actually, I think there's a baby over there. Just past these taller grasses, you can kind of just see her little ears sticking up. Now, a group of giraffes is known as a tower. That does kind of make sense. They aren't the tallest land animal. Even baby giraffes are born super tall. Baby giraffes are born about 6 foot tall. Now, that's taller than me, and I'm a fully grown human. So, and also, looks like we're entering elephant country, folks. Just past this giraffe here on the left-hand side, there is an African elephant here. Now, I think this giraffe... Okay, we might hold here for just a second. But you'll be able to see those 2 giraffes, folks, and of course that African elephant all the way on the left-hand side. We're going to get a bit of a better view in just a moment. Now you might notice that this elephant is flapping its ears. They do flap their ears to kind of cool themselves down. It's like a personal fan for them. Actually a really, really good personal fan. They can cool themselves down up to 15 degrees Fahrenheit just by flapping those ears. But again, we're going to get really, really close to this giraffe, this beautiful giraffe here on the left-hand side. So I do appreciate it if you keep your arms in the vehicle here so we don't spook it. Looks like it's munching on something though, folks. Probably using that long tail. Long legs. In the water and on that island over there. Now, a group of flamingos is also known as a flamboyance. This is a flamboyance of flamingos. They get that distinct pink color of theirs from eating a lot of brine shrimp. The shrimp is pink, so it does turn those flamingos pink. Not born pink, they're born kind of a light gray color, but once they start eating those shrimps and other things, they're going to start turning pink. And you might notice here on the left-hand side, a couple of those flamingos are kind of tilting their head back and laying it on its back. Now their backs are turning into pillows for them. That's actually how they sleep. They sleep standing up. Pretty cool. Let's push on forward, folks. I'm sure we'll catch up with some more animals around here. I think I see one male up there, and it looks like a female just beyond him as well. That male, of course, with big mane all around its head. That's the one you can see the most right now. Looks like they're all resting though, folks. That does kind of make sense. Lions are inactive for most of the day. They're going to be sleeping or resting anywhere from 16 to 20 hours a day. They're way more active at night. That's because their eyesight's actually much, much better at night. During the day, their eyesight's about the same as a human's, but at night, it's about 6 times better. Oh, actually, there's 2 females up there, folks. There's one male, 2 females. One right next to him, one just down the other rock there. It is the female lions of the lionesses. They're going to be doing most of the hunting. The males kind of stay back to help protect the pride. That is the group name for lions of pride. The Swahili word for lion is Simba, and the Swahili word for king, Mufasa. Looks like they're all resting a little too long for them to be super active, folks, but still really cool to see them out and about. We're coming up on another animal here on the left left-hand side, looks like there's 3 of them here. These are water bugs. Now, like the name suggests, they do really love the water. They actually can secrete kind of a greasy or oily liquid onto their fur, which allows them to be kind of waterproof. I think they're kind of cute though. They do have heart-shaped noses.
What have you done?
I have, first of all, Strawberry Acai. You've gone for pineapple green
You've
tea.
made us go to Starbucks again.
Oh yeah, it's my secret addiction. I'm very addicted. And we've got a Colossus cinnamon thing, but he's warmed it up. It's nice and warm.
We'll look at that later.
So yeah, we'll open it.
Right, let's head home then.
Yeah,
And then
before
we'll
the
have a
storm
look at
starts.
the cinnamon swirl.
Yes.
And it's all nice over there, and then we've got this. Hey Georgie, where
Hello.
are we?
We are at Jambo House at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. Popped back to our hotel, had a quick change and freshen up, and we thought we'd come for some food here. I did call guest services. They say you can park in any resort, especially this time of year, it's a bit quieter. So we're going to go in there, still use our quick service dining plan, and hopefully get some chicken. So we've never been here, and it looks stunning from outside. So let's go in.
I think it's safe to say we're staying in a dive.
No, it's still a nice resort.
This is so nice.
Oh, they've got a walkway bridge as well. That's so cool.
Food.
So I've gone for a BLT chicken kind of sub with fries, and Dan's gone for chicken nuggets with, what is that? Just greens, vegetables and mashed potato. Also, I got a green tea. Well, it's not green tea. I got a tea. Dan
like
got a
it?
Coke Zero. It's really nice. It's really sweet, but yeah, it's really good. This would have cost $33 in total. So I'm sorry that the quality of this might not look great. Unfortunately, it's really dark where we're sitting. Me and Dan have found some rocking chairs on a savannah overlook, and it is pitch black outside. Obviously, there's lights in here, but the light setting's just off. Anyway, when we was in getting our dinner, Dan noticed, what are they called? Zebra domes in here. So they're like a chocolate with a like crunchy centre, apparently, mix of milk chocolate, white chocolate, and dark chocolate. So I'm hoping they're quite nice.
And they're a snack credit.
They are a snack credit, $4.50 I think they are if you pay normally. So we'll try those soon. So if you're looking out at the savannah, watch out. As you can see, it is really dark. But you've got bedrooms just here. So I'll point to them. Kind of here, there's some bedrooms. And then you've got the watch out in front, which you can't see. And then you've got some really nice big looking rooms up here. Let me see if I can turn the brightness up. Oh, there we go. Some big rooms up there. There we go, that's better. And there's outside. And there's some more rooms just over there. So that's us back in the hotel room now. It's really nice just to get onto the bed, knowing that we don't have to go back out and we can just chill and take in the air conditioning for longer than like 10 minutes in a restaurant. But we've had a really busy day today, really good day, really busy day. I really enjoyed Avatar and Pandora and Animal Kingdom. I love going back there because it's been 3 years since we last went, so it was really nice to take a walk around there again. Going on Everest, even though Dan didn't come on with me. And we're still waiting for the photo actually to come through. Even though Dan didn't come on with me, I still had a great time. I love rides anyway. And Dinosaur, that was good fun, and It's Tough to Be a Bug. I think that has to be my best attraction of the day because I love that, especially at the end when all the little bugs go underneath like your bum before you exit the theatre place. It's really good fun. Animal Kingdom Lodge was lovely, the food was fab, and those little chocolate balls were beautiful too. So now we're going to head to bed, so I'm going to say goodbye for this vlog. Thank you for watching. I do hope you have enjoyed the vlog. Give us a thumbs up if you have, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more content. See you later.